93 Weather Lab. Here's Daniel's True View forecast.
Welcome back, everyone. We have officially wrapped up the weekend, getting ready to head into the work week. In the forecast, a little bit up and down. Now, we could use some of the rainfall, and we're going to get some going through tomorrow, Tuesday as well. Tomorrow looks to be similar to what it was like this afternoon. All of the showers that we had earlier have come to an end. Nothing going on the satellite and radar picture. Won't be quiet through the rest of the night. Here's what we've got going on across the Gulf Coast right now. Not a whole lot going on out there. Clouds still struggling to clear up a little bit. Few patches with some very drizzly showers, that otherwise things are looking quiet all across the board. No real problems. We may start to see some of that convection fire up just offshore by early tomorrow morning. That's pretty typical for the summertime. Offshore, just out along the coast, they see some of those showers that get going right around dawn, and we may get a little bit of that late tonight. I think most of us who are onshore really not going to be dealing with much of anything. Again, the showers that pushed their way through earlier, they've all pretty much since come to an end. If you're getting anything, it's just a little bit of drizzle, and really not going to be lasting all that long. Here's what Futurecast looks like getting into tomorrow morning. Pretty clear for the morning. Not too much happening through the first half of the day. Got mostly sunny skies out there. You're not going to have too many problems. Winds are going to be coming in from the south, and we'll start to see the clouds building up a little bit by lunchtime. That's when you'll start to see convection going down along the coast. It's going to be those showers along the sea breeze that get going, and kind of similar to today, it will be one or two start to pop up, and then they'll blossom, kind of spread out a little bit. Still rather chaotic and not as widespread as other days, but certainly something to be aware of. And we'll end up seeing a couple scattered showers going right around 40% on the day for tomorrow. Most of that's going to be late afternoon, evening, similar to today. Clears up overnight, and then getting into Tuesday, that's when we could actually start to see some more widespread showers. A front is going to be dropping in from the north. It's going to be bringing quite a bit of rainfall. I think over the next couple days, you may pick up about an inch or so. This is Tuesday morning. Look out over towards the northwards of Alexandria. You can see some of the showers going through there. Most of that is going to swing through sort of mid to late morning on Tuesday into early parts of the afternoon, and then conditions will improve as we go through later parts of the day. That's when a frustrating part of the forecast will actually take shape. So let's run through Monday. Again, the widely scattered showers similar to the way they were this afternoon, and then as we get into Tuesday, this front actually going to be dipping southwards, and then it stalls just right outside of our area, and we're going to be right in between a lot of dry air out over towards our west and our north, and all of the showers that you can see in the models picking up where that moisture is, where you see the little rounds of convection out over towards Morgan City. We're going to be right in between a very dry patch of air and a pretty moist patch of air, and it depends exactly where that front kind of stalls out. So we may end up seeing more showers on Wednesday, particularly in the morning, or we could actually catch a bit of that drier air. We'll have to kind of wait and see over the next couple of days, as frustrating as that is. Never like to be right in between the two boundaries. Makes weather a little bit tougher to forecast for. Temperature-wise, no real surprises here. Nothing too hard here. We'll be in the mid-70s by early Monday morning. Sunshine will warm us up into the low 90s. I think probably getting up to about 93. Another hot one tomorrow, as you would imagine. We'll see the heat index get back up into the triple digits. Clouds and showers could help us out, especially if we can get them in the mid-afternoon and kind of keep them around a little bit. All that moisture into early parts of the day Tuesday does mean that temperature is going to be a little bit on the warmer side, and then we'll be sitting in the mid-80s, heat index in the 90s. I do think we have more clouds and showers through the day Tuesday, especially early on. For tonight, we're down into the mid-70s, about 74 degrees overall across Acadiana. We'll be drying up. We'll be clearing out as well. Pretty quiet later tonight and early tomorrow. For tomorrow, 93 degrees, your high, 40% on your rain chances. Winds down to the west-southwest, 5 to 10 miles an hour. Partly sunny early, cloudier in the afternoon, with some scattered showers and a few thunderstorms in the mix. More rainfall on Tuesday. Still expecting Tuesday to be a bit of a wetter day. And then again, Wednesday, kind of depends to that front stalls. We'll go 40% right now. Just be aware for some scattered showers and pop-up showers through the rest of the week into the weekend.
Well, hopefully the rain can make it a little less hot right now.
Yeah, it's really the only thing that could help out with temperatures. We keep our fingers crossed for some good cloud cover.
All right, thank you.